Hey folks, welcome to Outdoors with Joe. Today we will be taking a look at a Hatsan product. We will be taking a look at the Hatsan Sortie Tact. Manufacturer states 625 feet per second and 20 foot-pounds of energy. Shots at optimal velocity is 30 shots. It is a semi-automatic and it does come with a removable folding stock. But today we're just going to shoot it as a PCP pistol. It is a fully shrouded barrel, 62cc air cylinder. Comes with 11mm and 22mm rail. Overall length without the folding stock is 15.5 inches. Barrel length is 7.9. And this PCP pistol weighs in at 4.4 pounds. Comes with 3 10-shot magazines. And the Hatsan Field Probe, and some replacement O-rings. Now before we go any further, I would like to give a big shout out to Lethal Air, who lets me review all of these really nice PCPs. And if you're in the market for a PCP, check them out at lethalair.net. You will find all the information on there that you need, phone numbers. You can give Chad a call. He would be more than happy to answer all of your questions. They also offer customized big bore PCPs for anybody who wants to hunt large game such as hogs, deers, bears, what have you. But anyway, we're going to take this PCP pistol to my 27-yard indoor range, and we're going to try to take a few shots. I am going to put a holographic sight on to check it out. So, without further ado, let's get to my indoor range and see how this bad boy does. We'll be right back. Alright folks, we're back. We're up at my, Alright folks, we're back. We're in my 27-yard indoor shooting range. I'm going to finish loading up this mag. We will be shooting the Air Arms Diablo Field, 25.4 grain. I do have the target set up. I have a full magazine of lead. It holds 10. Now one thing I did forget to mention is this PCP is 200 bar, so it's 3,000 psi. And safety always, folks, remember safety. When you fire this PCP, it is ready to shoot again. So, if you're checking the target and you're lining it up, please keep it on safety when you go check it up or point it in a safe direction. This is not PCPs for dummies. I know you guys know that, but some of the new people who are just into PCPs and just giving them a little heads up and, safety first, right? Anyway. Let's get the camera rolling, take a few shots, see how she does. Now, I have zeroed this in, and I am shooting at 27 yards, so I don't expect every one to be bullseye. So, 27 yards for a PCP pistol. Let's see what it does. We'll be right back. Man, I wasn't expecting that. This is, I actually took 6 shots. That is actually 6 shots. I think I pulled one here. But man, we got like 4 or 5 right here in this same hole. Man, what do you think of that? Hatsan Sortie Tact, 25 caliber with the holographic sight. Man, I could shoot squirrels with that thing. One of these might become my bow hunting buddy. Because when I'm bow hunting, don't see a lot of deer, but I see a lot of squirrel. When I'm squirrel hunting, don't see a lot of squirrels, but see deer everywhere. What's up with that, I wonder? Anyway, folks, I want to thank all y'all for tuning in. Once again, big shout out to Lethal Air for letting me review these PCPs for you. If there is any PCP that you would like to see, let me know. Hit me up in the comments, let me know, and I will see if I can get it and review it for you. And a big shout out to all my subscribers. I appreciate every one of you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hey, I'd appreciate it. Hit the thumbs up. Tell me, leave some comments, let me know what you think. Until the next time, folks, thanks for hanging out with Outdoors with Joe. Have a great day, everybody.